Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. I hope you are all doing well. Today we will focus on creating cinematic text intro. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate a practical example of creating cinematic text intro using CapCut. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. Click on the library menu from the media tab. Search for raindrops. I have added a raindrop video. Add a default text to the timeline. I have increased the duration of the text. Select any bold type font. Change the default text. Increase the font size. Go to the Animation tab. Click on the loop animation. Select the animation oval 3. I have increased the animation speed to maximum. Select the text and create a compound clip. Select the compound clip and go to the Video tab. Change the blend mode of the compound clip to soft light. I have reduced the opacity of the video to 80%. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Let's continue our learning journey together.